Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I should really be embarrassed to film this video, but I'm not. This was a philosophy TSV on QVC back in April. Yeah, I know how long ago April was. But it just got buried in the mountain of boxes that I have arriving every week. And it just kept falling to the bottom of the stack. And now that I am in declutter mode, trying to film and get rid of some of the boxes, I have finally uncovered it. And the sad part is I have these same items on auto delivery, and it's been so long since the presentation aired with the auto delivery that they have now shipped yet again, and I'm just opening the first batch. What am I talking about? None other than Philosophy. So Philosophy released 2 new scents for the spring summer 2018 collection, and I decided to pick both of them up. I was actually influenced by none other than Pauline Newman. So if you've not been over to check out her channel, please go over as soon as you're done watching my video and check out some of her hauls. But they released 2. The first one is called Coconut Splash. And they released it in these ginormous, mega super size. And this is their 3-in-1 shampoo, shower gel, and bubble bath. And this is 64 ounces. This is like a half a gallon of shampoo, body wash, and shower gel. This one is supposed to smell like coconut, but that tropical, you know, in the Caribbean, makes you want to grab a drink with an umbrella in the side of it. So this is the Coconut Splash, and it came in a 4-piece set. So the mega super size of the 3-in-1, and then a smaller one that you can use to either refill from the larger one, or if you're going to check your bag and you're going to be away for a while, you could actually use this as a home and away, because this one actually comes with a pump, so you could leave it in the shower. The other item is the glazed body souffle. And this is a 16 ounce, and it's sealed, but I really want to smell it to see if I want to cancel the auto delivery or switch it. It's very clean, very soft. It does not scream coconut, which is what I was afraid it would do. Let me smell it again. Yeah, it's pretty soft in fragrance. So if you're wanting something tropical, but something that doesn't scream coconut, then this would actually I don't know. It doesn't smell a whole lot of anything. But the last item is the 16 ounce in the body spritz in the matching fragrance. The other item that I picked up, same 4-piece set, but this one is in Hula Girl, and it's also tropical scented as well. The big 3-in-1 64 ounce. It's spritzer for the Hula Girl Spritz. There is a body glaze as well. I'm going to see if I like this one a little bit better. This one is much more fragrant than the coconut splash. I like that one a whole lot better. And the small size, 16 ounce. So not extremely small. So that's it. I have finally recorded the Philosophy TSV unboxing. I think I may go switch the coconut splash to Hula Girl. Because I think if I'm going to gift these for Christmas, I think my audience would trust my nose and go with Hula Girl. So that's all I have. Thank you so very much for watching. Until next time, take care.